this is like a little ritual area. Okay, hold on. Are they gonna give me anything good if I do this? Wait. It's a little concert area. This is what we do. Whoa! Look. Hi! So pretty. Oh, wait, it's a sexy dungeon with the red candle. It's the wax play. Oh, we're gonna do the wax play here, huh? Oh, Nanabra, take off your pants and Pantsu and get ready.
I'm in danger.
What? Who made this area? Atsu Nanoyo. Have a wonderful day, Nanoyo. Bye-bye, Nanoyo.